Some of my old birds from 2016 to 17. Just trying to get a couple good birds off of them. And once I get a couple good birds off of them, I think I'm going to sell them off and start breeding the young birds. Got two sides to this small coop. I got another coop, but this is my favorite right here because I got these birds and I know what they're really about versus the young birds. I'm just trying to figure them out. Preparing to let a few of them up next week to see how they do. Hopefully they give me something real good and show me that they worth keeping. If you wonder what's all the mess on the screen, got a plexiglass door, so I don't always have to go in there and bother them. Let them do what they need to do. That's one of my young birds right there, and I got a few over here too. That's a couple weeks old. And that's the ugly duckling right there, but hopefully he showed me something real good when he started flying.